You'd never pass for Delta.
An interpreter, then. You don't even speak Arabic. I'm wasting my breath.
I'm not taking a vote here. Okay, you're staying back. I want you here with Felix and Woods.
Well, if you have this figured out, I'm not just going to sit around. I'm going out.
Let her go.
Moving on. Adler, you sure that's all Alawi told you? Before you executed him?
You're in my world now, Marshal. Gonna have to grow up fast.
I'm listening.
Alawi knew the Pantheon had a presence in Iraq as part of the technology exchange with Saddam Hussein. Pantheon gets cover in facilities. Hussein gets access to an experimental weapon.
But Alawi didn't know what the weapon was?
No, only that they're calling it the Cradle.
The Cradle.
Cradle.
It's in Iraq right now.
Presumably. Alawi said it was in transit to a remote palace. Demonstrations taking place in a bunker underneath.
Hussein is a world-class collector of maps. There are many on this map alone. Alawi was confident he knew the way.
Yes.
Let's take a first-hand look then. We'll finalize plans soon and we'll ship out. Dismiss.
I'll take these.
Enjoy them. I brought them for you.
Figured. You don't usually smoke the shit brands.
Don't want you raising your standards.
Well, there's never been a better time to be cheap as hell.
Hey,
Yeah.
listen, I understand that in your own Adler-ass way you invited us to this place. Maybe you've got squatters' rights, but don't much care.
You got a point?
What I do care about, what I need you to understand is that this here is my team. You need us more than we need you, okay? We broke you out of that black site, and I just need an excuse to send you back. Bottom line, you're a stranger to me. All I got on you is your reputation, and it ain't all roses, Adler.
But you don't have to trust me, Marshal. But it might be best if you do, for you and your team.
I'll be the judge of that.
Ooh, a contest. So exciting. Should I get a ruler? By the way, Adler, I'm still waiting to get paid.
I had a little something stashed for you upstairs, but it seems I was robbed while on vacation.
Nah, you just loaned it to us. Forgot to tell yous all. Surprise.
I just think you and I should spend some quality time together. We should get plenty in Iraq.
My thoughts exactly. The palace we're after is in western Iraq, Syrian desert. There's a complication, though.
Desert Storm. Coalition forces launched the operation 2 weeks ago against Saddam Hussein. They've taken out as many strategic targets from the air as possible.
They haven't destroyed the palace yet, but that's about to change. British SAS forces are on the ground hunting mobile Scud launchers, and they've marked our palace for massive aerial bombing. That can't happen. We don't know what Pantheon's hiding in the bunker under the palace. If it's destroyed, we lose the trail.
I reached out to an old collaborator of mine at MI6 for a favor. She pressured the SAS to delay their airstrike, but it'll come at a cost.
We're gonna pose as Delta Force operatives so this Helen Park can get us to the front. Then we're gonna help the SAS clean up those Scud launchers. After that, the palace is ours.
The SAS want these Scuds destroyed as much as you want that palace. We think the Iraqis could start launching at any time.
Troop 1, let's rush those launchers. Moving to flank the first site. All right, Paul. Keep those Yanks of yours on a tight leash.
Charming guy.
There, Scud up. It's already happening.
The site's still a quarter to look ahead. Can you pick it up?
Activity.
Jackal 1-1, we're going in hot.
think that's everyone.
Scud sights through here. Follow me.
Jackal 2-1. We're on the other side of the ravine, closing on target.
Faster!
We're clear.
Jackal 1-1. We're nearly in position.
We're at the top of the ridge, kicking things off. Maybe a dozen tangos down there.
Let's move! They're launching!
Enemy truck incoming.
We're running out of time.
We've got it. Sight clear. Dennis, get a charge on that Scud, now.
I'll cover you.
Get down there, Jackal 2. Jackal 2, what are you waiting for? Get to that Scud! Bang up job, everyone. And listen up. Pritchard, Skinner, clear up this rubbish and unload the truck. Yes, sir. We're building our layup here. Your crew's not too shabby, Park. Now let's see what else they've got.
This will be our base of operations for now. Here, you won the straw vote and get to carry the TAC map. We've got a lot of ground to cover, so you'll find it useful. We need to neutralize 3 more Scud sites. Stay alert out there. You might find other things of interest as well. Gladney's promised to help your team breach the palace if you destroy those Scuds. Help him out, and we'll see if he's a man of his word. You can talk to him yourself if you'd like. He'll stay here in the layup, working logistics for the SAS. Once you're ready to head out, we'll follow your lead.
Got no shortage of guns. Grab whatever gear you want.
Need something?
Might want some of that C4. Shit'll tear right through a Scud launcher. We'll get going when you're
So
all
much
pulled up.
interest in this palace. If it was up to me, we'd have blown it to Kingdom Come by now. The only reason it's still standing is Miss Park over there. Interesting indeed. Yeah. Just help us take out the remaining Scuds and we'll help you get whatever it is you need. Not at the moment. It's too many bloody surface-to-air missiles. In fact, I just received word that some of your Delta Force friends were shot down nearby. We have our own attack helo, but it's not getting up there unless you find some way to disable the SAM sites in this region. Best of British to you out there.
We ready? Someone forgot their boat.
I was wondering where I left that.
Probably been here for years. Over there. That orange smoke marks a supply drop.
Might be worth checking out. I'll keep an eye out.
That'll help. We should grab any others we find.
Let's keep moving.
Let's hit the road. هناك أعداء في موقعي. That's all of them. Got eyes on tangos. Haven't spotted us yet.
That'll blow your cover. Good. They'll see him go down.
RPG!
Going up.
Enemy RPG! RPG!
Watch out! Sniper!
Enemy RPG! Take them down!
Already
On the run. Pantheon.
We're not short on resources. I believe that's it.
Pantheon isn't here by accident. Sweep the area.
Don't faff about.
A Pantheon cache. Good find, Case.
following the October trials. Our two subjects, brothers, began exposure. Patient A through injection, and patient B through inhalation.
All right, back to the truck. Pantheon was experimenting on a set of brothers.
2 exposure methods. But exposure to what?
Check it out, palm trees.
It appears your mystery group might be real after all, Adler.
And you don't trust me?
Just as much as I need to. Don't act surprised.
Hostiles to your right.
Rocky's close by. Keep low.
He's too far.
One of Gladney's scouts. Iraqi's nearby. Scout may have some good intel over there.
Delta, welcome to the Oasis. I'm up the ridge in the trees if you want to meet. Delta in the flesh. Come on, I can show you what we're dealing with. Like a pro. Might be out of range.
Might alert someone. Don't pull that trigger.
Keep it up.
What do we do if we find that Delta squad? Do they know we're not one of them?
Unlikely. Just act normal. And maybe stand at a distance.
Hey, Adler, this remind you of Nam?
Not even close. Vietnam was a shit show. We were insanely unprepared.
My old man was drafted in '68. Hasn't been the same since.
Yeah, I understand.
That'll blow your cover.
Might alert someone.
They'll see him go down.
Eyes up for those satellites.
If we take them out, we'll have an aerial advantage.
Yeah, let's grab our wheels.
this, that palace better have the weapon.
Malawi's intel is reliable.
Alawi told you the Pantheon. Iraqis in the area.
That's risky.
Don't pull that trigger.
On your left.
وجدت جثة.
من الذي خسرناه؟
إنه ينام.
Gun going to launch! Destroy it before it lifts off!
Hell yeah.
Take that scud out now! أحدهم يتقدم.
Told you the Pantheon. Iraqis in the area.
That's risky. Good eye.
لا شيء. توليت.
On your right. On your left.
3 o'clock.
لدينا مشكلة. أرى.
لنعد إلى مهمتنا الأساسية.
Might alert someone.
Nice shot. Plane. Behind you, Case. Good.
اخرج من مخبأ.
We're clear.
One down, 2 to go. Too bad they all missed the fireworks.
Case to your left.
هناك عدو في المنطقة. استمروا في المراقبة.
Too bad they all missed the fireworks. Adler, I've been meaning to ask. How the hell did you get that?
Spotted some targets. Entering combat.
Takes care of that.
Shall we mosey on?
Aren't the best I've seen, but you got numbers.
I think they'll be expecting us from here on out.
As they should. I appreciate a warm welcome.
We're spotted!
Patrol's down.
There! Gladney, we've spotted one of the SAM sites.
Excellent. If you take those surface-to-air missiles off the board, we can get you helo support.
Might be worth it.
That'll blow your cover. That's risky. I wouldn't take that shot.
Open fire!
Find the other two. The Iraqis will carry responsibility.
You what? We'll keep an eye out.
Gladly. We're heading back.